Good morning, everybody. Today is a cold day and very dark day. Very cold today. I hope you can see everything because I don't have light here. Today is glazing day, and I put Iran's phone here so we can actually have like a flashlight. Yes, so this is all the mantas that I made, which I love. So if my son breaks them, I can always have another one. Funny, it gives me peace and mind. Oh, look at what happened here. Chip from the kiln. All right, never mind. Never. Okay, I'll put this here. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Yeah. I love this glazing.
Show me the side.
Oh. Nice, eh?
Yep.
Put this here. Now this is fins. And another fin. And another fin. And a horsey.
Seahorse.
Oh! It's too early in the morning. Fin? Tail? Fin.
That's a fin.
It's a fin.
That's also a fin. That's a fish fin.
Yeah. Okay. Another
That's a diver's fin.
diver's fin. Yes. Okay. More tails. Here, maybe here you can see it better in the light. Oh,
Yeah.
yes, very nice. Fish.
The fish.
Fish.
Without a mouth.
No. Yes. What can you do? Okay. This Nitai made. My little baby.
I can't see the colors.
Here, that's what I made. That's, I don't know if you can tell, that's like the sand and the sea and the sky and the sun. That was like something that I thought of. Okay, now we have more stuff from Nitai. Very nice. Okay, let's put this here. Let's put this here. Oh, no space. Oh, yeah, like this. Nice?
Yep.
I already made 3 of those, but I didn't have room for one more plate, so that's my 4th one. That's also something that I made. How do you like that? Huh? Can you? Huh? I'm trying to see if...
Yeah, show me the side as well.
Oh, here. Sides. Nice.
How did you make the braided handles?
I braided them. I took like, I flattened, made like
Coils. And
coils of clay and that's how I made it. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, here's the piggy bank. I wanted to see how it came out. That's weird. I didn't expect that. Well, what do you think?
It's cute.
It's cute, but the glazing is weird.
Weird, like 2 colors.
Yeah, but why all? Yeah, it's the glaze is we call it wonder glaze. It's like you paint them, and it was supposed to be pink, and I mixed it a little bit of with red, so all the red came down and all the pink stayed. I don't know if she would like it. Actually, here it looks fine. I don't know, it's kind of weird. We'll see what she says. Okay. Well, I hope they won't break.
Mm-hmm.
My son keeps breaking them. I like it. It's cute. Maybe it's too small. I'm not sure. Ah, this is what I made for Sheila.
Yes.
See, look at that.
Dramatic.
Dramatic, yes. She likes black and white. So. Dramatic black and white. Let's put it here.
Wow, that's a beautiful color. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Wow.
Oh, that's the weird handle.
That's the weird handle. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, I like it. Okay, that's an ashtray.
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 Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's nice. Ah, wow.
Wow.
Wow, wow. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
This turned out to be beautiful.
definitely.
Okay, I love it. What a nice combination of colors. Okay, now, that would be the last one. Then I have to go to work. Let's see how this turned out. All right, my dear.
That'll do.
That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. Beautiful, actually. Right?
Yeah.
Do you like the size?
Yeah, I like the size, I like the color. The handle looks comfortable. Yeah.
Good. I hope you're happy. Oh, what about this?
Yeah. That's the size I was aiming for.
Well, that I think I made it. I think it was like 800 grams, almost a kilo.
It shrunk. I remember
yeah.
it bigger.
Yeah, it was bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
I love this combo.
The combo is nice. Yes, nice combo. That's another one.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is for the utensils for the kitchen. They were so big. I thought they
Yeah.
were like huge, and they shrunk.
Shrunk.
Wow, my God.
Yeah.
This is like unbelievable. Oh, that's another one. Oh. Wow.
Yeah, that's a beautiful combination.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous.
Show me the inside.
Oh, the inside is also very nice. I'm not sure if you can tell. Wait. Here. Let me turn.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's also nice. Yeah,
Yes.
very beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, so I had a good time today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, ask questions. Bye from Cyprus.